everyone, Pandahall Selected contacted me again to see if I would like to review their products for them, and of course I said yes. So I have a bag of goodies here that I'm going to open up, and I'll have links in the description box, and there'll be a code too for I think 10% off your order, I'm pretty sure. So all that stuff will be in the bottom. I forgot what I even got here because I ordered it about a month ago, and then they came in, I think it came in like 3 weeks later, and then this has been sitting for a week. So, oh wow. I remember, look at all these. I remember I got these wooded round beads for my fairy tassels that I make. And I sold a few at the craft fair. So that's what these are. And that's what I make with them. So this is just an unboxing video. And then with all the stuff I have here, I'll show you what I make with it. So these are the wooden beads. Oh, you get a lot too in here. I'm trying to see how many. There's a lot. I won't need these for a while. Yeah, so I'll show you what those look like in the next video. And you know, they're so good. You were supposed to spend like $40, and I remember something I wanted was out of stock. So I said, that's all right. Just give me, you know, what else I picked. There's nothing wrong with that. And she was like, no, that only equals $33. And I'm like, that's okay. No big deal. But no, they insisted. So they put something else with the order. That was really nice. Now I got these little balls. They're beads. But they're little silver and gold balls of all sizes. And I got them for a reason, and now I forgot. What was the reason? I forgot. Somebody made something, and they used these on the sides of some kind of charm they did or something. I was like, that's awesome. I need those beads. And now I can't remember what on earth it was. So now I have to make something with these beads. This is going to be fun because I don't remember. Although I'm still glad I got them because I don't have any beads like this. And it was something just to jazz it up a little bit. What was it? I have no idea, guys. I'm going to have to look back at videos. It might have been something Vagabond Crafter made, I think. I don't know. Now I'm going to have to look. I can't remember. I really can't remember. I love Pandahall Selected. They contacted me out of the blue the last time and was like, hey, do you want to do, you know? And I was like, yeah, I do. All right. And here's little things that you can use, little findings you can use. But I probably won't use that part. I liked these. I didn't have these colors. I have a bunch of these already, but these are different. Like, see, there's like micro beads in here. So you got blues and purples and like a lavender color in this one. You got all little baby blues in here. You got green little balls in here. They're like little micro beads. And then this one you have green, they're like little crystals in that one. And here, this is good for the spring. You have these kind, the pink, and then the multi-pastel color one here. This one is AB crystals in that one. Red little crystals in this one. And some are gold and some are silver for the tops here. This is like a kind of like a peach color crystal. There's yellow. And there's purple micro beads in this one. And kind of peachy color in this one. A peachy orange. Well, maybe orange. I guess I'd go with orange. And here's another yellowish kind of, or kind of goldish crystals in that one. And then this one's yellow micro beads. Loved those. So I wanted to pick those up. They gave me this beautiful bag that says beads, gems, and findings. Let me take it out of this thing because it's all, oh, you can see it. And it says pandahall.com. So that's really cute. Everything's dropping from my desk now. That's really cute. And then the last thing, I don't even remember what it is. Oh, yes. Here's more embroidery floss for the tassels. And the last time I got this, I got it from, I think I got it from BB Craft, and it was so hard. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you remember the people at the craft show where she said, "Mommy, can I have one of these fairies?" And she goes, "Or we can make it ourselves." And they walked away, and I laughed, and I said, "Good, go make it." Because I remember how I said this took forever to unroll, and because it was getting all, what do you call it? Stuck and tangled, and it took me, for each tassel, it took me, one only took me 20 minutes, but the rest of them took me over an hour to untangle everything. So let me see if this happens with this one. I'm very curious if this is going to untangle easily or if it's going to knot all up. I'm very curious now. So now I'm going to have to try this. I'm going to have to try it. Let's see. It looks like it's knotting up. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong, but it doesn't just fall right down. So, I don't know. I'm not going to play with this too much. So, that's what I got from BB Craft. I'll try, that's what I got from Pandahall Selected. So, I'm going to try to see what it was I wanted to make with these things. And I'll come back with a couple more tutorials with all the stuff that I received. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.